All right, installing a wheelchair tire onto a wheelchair wheel. Okay, so I haven't started using great force yet, but this was the second attempt, and it said that, oh goodness, oh yeah, great force. I see that coming. Woo! All right, I think if I use dishwashing soap as a lubricant, I may lose all of the grip I have with this. I did see the bead just start to seat. Oh yeah. So they did say you could use zip ties to help hold the ground you've made. That post is bending on the far side. This is funner than I thought it was going to be. Oh! I like this. This is a challenge. All right, I'll come back to you later.